Hello and welcome to Knowledge Hub. This video is about 50 super interesting facts about the universe. From the vastness of space to the tiniest particles, the universe is full of fascinating and mind-boggling facts that will leave you awestruck. So, let's get started. Section 1, the Universe. 1. The universe is estimated to be around 13.8 billion years old. 2. The observable universe is approximately 93 billion light-years in diameter. 3. The universe contains over 100 billion galaxies, each containing billions of stars and planets. 4. The largest known structure in the universe is the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall, a cluster of galaxies over 10 billion light-years away. 5. We can only observe 5% of the universe, with the rest consisting of dark matter and dark energy, which we cannot detect directly. Section 2, Stars and Planets. 6. The Sun, a star, is 109 times larger than the Earth and is about 4.6 billion years old. 7. The largest known star in the universe, Scuti, is over 1,700 times larger than the Sun. 8. There are more planets in the Milky Way galaxy than there are stars. 9. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system, with surface temperatures reaching 864 degrees Fahrenheit, 462 degrees Celsius. 10. The largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, is located on Mars and is 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Section 3, Black Holes. 11 black holes are formed from the collapsed cores of massive stars. 12. The gravity of a black hole is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape its grasp. 13. The first black hole ever discovered was Cygnus X1 in 1964. 14. The smallest known black hole is only a few miles across. 15. When two black holes merge, they create gravitational waves that can be detected on Earth. Section 4, Quantum Mechanics. 16. Quantum mechanics is the study of the behavior of particles on a microscopic scale. 17. In the quantum world, particles can exist in multiple places at the same time. 18. The Heisenberg uncertainty principle states that it is impossible to know both the position and momentum of a particle at the same time. 19. The Schrödinger's cat thought experiment demonstrates the strange nature of quantum mechanics, where a cat in a box can be both alive and dead at the same time. 20. Quantum entanglement is a phenomenon where particles can be connected in such a way that the state of one particle affects the state of another, no matter the distance between them. Section 5, Cosmic Events. 21. The Big Bang was the event that created the universe as we know it. 22. Supernovas are explosions that occur when stars run out of fuel and collapse in on themselves. 23. Gamma-ray bursts are the most energetic events in the universe, releasing more energy in a few seconds than the Sun will emit in its entire lifetime. 24. Cosmic rays are high-energy particles that come from outside our solar system. 25. The Hubble Space Telescope has captured images of galaxies that are billions of years old, giving us a glimpse into the early universe. Section 6, Miscellaneous Facts. 26. The speed of light is the fastest speed possible, and nothing can travel faster. 27. There are more possible ways to shuffle a deck of cards than there are atoms on Earth. 28. The human body is made up of atoms that were created in stars billions of years ago. 29. The Voyager 1 spacecraft, launched in 1977, is the farthest man-made object from Earth, currently over 14 billion miles. Section 6, Continued. 30. The Milky Way galaxy is moving through space at a speed of 1.3 million miles per hour, 2.1 million kilometers per hour. 31. The Moon is gradually moving away from Earth at a rate of 1.5 inches, 3.8 centimeters, per year. 32. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. 33. It takes Venus 243 Earth days to rotate on its axis, but only 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. 34. The Great Red Spot on Jupiter is a massive storm that has been raging for over 350 years. 35. The International Space Station orbits Earth at a speed of 17,500 miles per hour, 28,000 kilometers per hour. Section 7, Astronomy History. 36. The ancient Greeks were the first to observe and record astronomical events. 37. Nicholas Copernicus developed the heliocentric model of the solar system, placing the Sun at the center instead of the Earth. 38. Galileo Galilei was the first person to use a telescope to observe the stars and planets in detail. 39. Edwin Hubble discovered that the universe is expanding, leading to the development of the Big Bang Theory. 40. Stephen Hawking made groundbreaking contributions to our understanding of black holes and the nature of the universe. Section 8, Space Travel. 41. Yuri Gagarin was the first person to travel to space in 1961. 42. Neil Armstrong was the first person to walk on the Moon in 1969. 43. The Cassini spacecraft explored Saturn and its moons for 13 years before being deliberately crashed into the planet in 2017. 44. The Mars rovers, Spirit and Opportunity, were designed to operate for 90 days but ended up exploring the planet for over 15 years. 45. The James Webb Space Telescope, set to launch in 2021, will be the largest and most powerful space telescope ever built. Section 9, Mysteries of the Universe. 46. The Fermi Paradox asks why, if there are billions of potentially habitable planets in the universe, we haven't yet detected any signs of intelligent life. 47. Dark matter and dark energy, which make up 95% of the universe, remain a mystery to scientists.